This overview will explain the features of the activity report in Foundation LMS. A course activity is a question or set of questions that is located within the course curriculum. Check out our tutorial on how to add a course activity. Navigate to the activity report by clicking Reports, then Activity. Select your course from the Filter Course field. You can scroll to find your course, or you can type in the field to search. If your course has only one activity, the report will automatically display the data for that activity. If your course has multiple activities, select the desired activity from the Filter Activity field. By default, the activity report displays data for the selected course for the prior 30 days. You can adjust the date range by using the Date Picker field at the top. Use the Clear button to show all data. The first section of the report is a graph which shows the percentages of correct versus incorrect answers per question. Hover over any colored part of the graph to see the number of responses. You can print the graph, download the graph in various file formats, and download or view the graph source data. Click the hamburger icon to choose from a list of options. Beneath the graph is a table that shows the number and percentage of responses to each answer option for all questions in the activity. The correct answer options for each question appear in green. The next section on the activity report is the Questions section. This section simply displays the activity questions and the correct answer to each one. Finally, we have the Students section of the report. While the top sections of the report show aggregated data, this section shows the students' individual responses to the activity questions, as well as their score and the date the activity was submitted. Correct answer responses appear in green. Degree and specialty will also be displayed if those fields are enabled in your company profile. By default, the records are displayed by the completed at column in descending order. This column can also be sorted in ascending order by clicking the arrows next to the column heading. The name and score columns can be sorted by ascending or descending order in the same manner. You can search for a specific student using the filter field, and you can export this list as an Excel file. Any filtering you have applied to the report will also be applied to the exported file. Use the Entries per Page drop-down field to show more than 10 records per page. Thank you for watching our Foundation LMS activity report overview.